I got to put the boom together. So the boom is 4 pieces. So it's got the top of the boom with the out haul. And then right here is where you put your extensions. You open these up. This has two little thingamabobs on it. You can put it in there. Close it. Same thing on this side. Close it. Now, okay, that's the downside. Now we gotta do the same thing here. First we gotta move the wheels. Just like that. And this is gonna go in like this. And then, depending on the size of the sail, will depend on where you put this. I'm gonna put it right here for now. We don't know what size we're gonna have. So here's your boom. Ready to go. Set her down. Okay. So this thing works pretty good, to tell you the truth. I gotta tell you, it works good. Not a bad little windsurfer. Be perfect for a lake.